This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This well-maintained ranch and highly sought-after Colony Pines is a must-see. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, this home checks off all the boxes. The spacious open floor plan with cathedral ceilings and skylights make this home feel light and airy. Imagine hosting dinner parties with family and friends gathered in the large kitchen, complete with an island and space for a table for eat-in options. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, Immaculate Hospital, and the interstate. For more information, review the details below.